Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of neck muscles, focusing on the Rectus Capitis Posterior Minor. This small but mighty muscle plays a key role in head movement and posture. Let's start with its general features. The Rectus Capitis Posterior Minor is a deep muscle of the neck and part of the suboccipital group. It's the smallest of these muscles, yet crucial for fine-tuning head movements. Now, let's talk about its origin and insertion. This muscle originates from the posterior tubercle of the atlas, also known as the first cervical vertebra. From there, it inserts into the medial part of the inferior nuchal line on the occipital bone. The Rectus Capitis Posterior Minor helps extend the head at the neck joint. It also assists in maintaining proper head posture, keeping your head aligned with the spine. Another interesting fact: it plays a role in proprioception, which helps your body sense position and movement. The Rectus Capitis Posterior Minor is supplied by the vertebral artery and the deep cervical artery. On the nerve side, it's innervated by the suboccipital nerve, which is a branch of the dorsal ramus of the C1 spinal nerve. So, why is this muscle important? Well, dysfunction or tension in the Rectus Capitis Posterior Minor can contribute to tension headaches or neck pain, especially in people who spend long hours at a desk or looking at screens. To keep this muscle healthy, regular neck stretches and maintaining good posture are key. Don't forget to take breaks and move around if you're working at a desk all day. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on anatomy and health. See you next time.